Today I'm going to show you how to brighten skin tone in Photoshop. The first step is selection skin tone. Go to Select, and Color Range, open the select list, and choose skin tones. Adjust the selection boundaries to 50. Then click OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and open solid color window. In the color picker, choose any brighter color. Then click OK, and change the blend mode to soft light. Click the FX icon and open the layer style. Hold down Alt to split the black slider. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Select your brush tool, click to open the brush picker and choose the soft round brush. The opacity, 100%, and the flow, 100%. Select the thumbnail of the color fill layer. Click the foreground color, and make sure color is black. Then click OK. And paint with black, lips and eyes. When you're finished, reduce the opacity to 80%. And that's it. Hope you liked it.